big slices, little pieces. Just get a feel of it there underneath. Just start squeezing.
Yeah. Go around that way, sweetie. I don't want y'all coming through here.
You could do 4th pieces, half. Just push in there real hard. There you go. It's going to take a while.
There goes the plate.
That's okay.
Take a picture of me.
Okay.
I'm not taking pictures.
That's good.
I want a video of me.
There's no bone in there. Real good.
Andrew Cameron. This is going to be yours.
Alicia, you got to. No,
Please take a video.
So what? Woman at work.
Send this to your mother.
Yeah. All your stuff is right over there.
Okay.
Why don't you put your finger down here, Annie?
I'm going to turn that down like that.